look, man, there's a Beneteau. The entire California coast is Beneteau.
Can't forget Sparky.
Hi,
You're pretty famous after YouTube. What's that lady from the Stearns? And the dog. Sparky, the offshore pool.
Sparky drinking the beer. Sparky drinking.
Yeah.
You know, it's easier, I think, when you're saying at their church.
Right.
You know, because you go to their functions, you visit their place.
Yep. Tim, right on this tack, you'll be able to make one tack into La Playa.
There's another Beneteau.
Yeah.
Everywhere you look.
There's the corner on the market.
He's got a corner on the page.
It's the boat. And then we'll think about it. There you go, Tim. Nice little lift there. See that puff coming? Coming across the water up there, that dark water? That's going to be a nice little lift for you. Ride that right up around the police dock. Oh, this is it right here. Flat water, nice breeze. Beautiful. Okay, you want to turn down toward the police dock a little bit. It was a little bit of a header. There you go. Just keep that sail filled. Beautiful, right there.